Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Culinary Classics with us. So in today's video we are going to be making some nice, simple and easy banana pancakes which are really fluffy.
So, in order to make these very tasty pancakes that only take 5 minutes to make, so that you can make these pancakes on your lazy days, you will be needing 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of milk, or you can use 1 cup as well, 2 eggs, 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 mashed bananas, and butter to grease the pan. You'll also be needing a pinch of salt. So in order to make the pancakes, first we need to blend our wet ingredients together. I have added 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and our 2 bananas. So here are our blended wet ingredients. To this we will gradually be adding our dry ingredients till our batter is ready. So now our pancake batter is ready. Do make sure to add your 1 teaspoon of baking powder, as it will make the pancakes nice and fluffy. For a healthier version, instead of using sugar, you can use jaggery, and in the place of maida, you can use whole wheat flour. So now it is time to make our pancakes. Take your pan and put it on your low flame and grease the pan with butter or ghee. Now scoop in your pancake batter 1 spoon at a time. Cover the pancake with a lid. Let the pancake cook on both sides thoroughly and then plate it. You will know that the pancake is ready to flip when there are several air gaps and bubbles forming on the side of the pancake that's facing towards you. So it's time to flip the pancake. As you can see here, we know this side is cooked as it is turned a golden brown color. So as you can see here, we are done making our pancakes. We have stacked them up, and on top we have added butter and honey. You can also add powdered sugar, maple syrup, or even jam to top it off.
So now we're done with making the pancakes. It's time for taste time. Wow, it's out of the world. Make sure you try this recipe at your home. Please subscribe, like and share this video with all of your friends. Bye.